I will put my hair in a bun. So I have made a very high pony with my hair so that the bun can spread really well. You can also make the bun in a low pony, but today I would like to wear it in a high pony. I will tuck it with some pins. So I have made my bun pretty wide so that the curly bun can spread really well. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wear it this part upwards and the string part downward, and these comb I'll put in my bun. And now I'll pull my string with lock and tighten it, and then I'll wrap around the string to hide it, and then I'll use a bobby pin to tuck in that string, and the now string is perfectly tucked in. It was looking a little bit longer for me. I've also cut it almost 1 inches of the length. This is how it is looking now.